Okay, look at this. I just bought this Dr. Pepper, and it's not even giving it to me. Bought it from right there. It went down. The drink won't even come out. This is definitely going up on. See? I can't even. See, it's not even going to give me my change back. God. Oh, there we go. That was weird. That was a weird vending machine. Oh, finally got my drink. So, there's the exit that goes out to the electrical room and all that. And the locker rooms. Don't know why they have those locked off. And this elevator's all the way up at 9. Well, they have an automatic light switch. It's next to being turned on. Just like a fake straw ball.
Floor P3.
There it goes. That's it. But yeah, anyway. Yeah, I put my money in, pressed it for the drink, and that thing didn't open automatically. And so I had to fiddle with it, but at least it didn't take my money. That's a good thing. Okay, well, that's it.